Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to rename a printer or scanner on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it doesn't matter what type of printer you have, if it's a Brother, Epson, Canon, Xerox printer, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to show you guys how to rename it, and it should be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to locate devices and printers. So go ahead and left click on that. And then right click on whatever printer you want to rename underneath the printer field. And then select where it says printer properties. Up here at the top, at this point you can rename the printer whatever you want. So if you want to highlight over it and then delete, or use your backspace key, you can. I can call it my office printer, for example, and then you would select OK. And if it is a shared printer, the existing connections to the printer from other computers will break and will have to be created again. Do you want to rename this printer? Go ahead and select yes. And obviously, if you have other computers that are using or connected to this printer, you want to make sure you adjust the settings for those as well. And they might have to go back to network discovery and then find the printer again. So anyway, if we go underneath printers and scanners through the search menu, you should see the printer is now saved with our new name in here. Pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.